Just the front one. Let's see what's up. Probably the door that says no sex, right? That would be the one to like walk around in.
Yeah. Remember that backyard with the 2 little blonde kids? I found a seashell.
It says don't go. Should we go? What is that noise? This place is scary, dude.
What the helpful definition?
Do we go up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there's not a good way to go up. What? Oh yeah, this is not the way to go. Oh, can you grab this?
Yeah. A little bit lower.
Should we go night vision? Go night vision. I had another battery. It's a ladder going down. Do we go down? No, we shouldn't go down. Let's get out of here. This was like a giant furnace or something, dude.
Definitely people died here. That's why they had to clear it up. And that just smells like sewage. Maybe from that open hole over there.
Yeah. Just look at my car, make sure there's not like... Alright. That's probably why it smells like sewage, because there's like sewer line, like a manhole, and it's just open. Manhole.
Well, that whole doorway, it's like there's a huge room there.
You coming?
You can see what they were doing.
I can see, just not really. No, dude, even with night vision. Back over here. I'm out, I'm so out, I'm so out. Okay, That was scary, right? That place was like, whoa. It was so dark.
Yeah, that was pitch. That's a shade of black. Did you know that? Pitch.
And check out over here. Run if you can.
Yeah, this was.
Yeah, that's the cops for us, bro.
Amos did graffiti in the other place too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Local tagger.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no, he's right. Ear protector file. Not anymore.
It's the spin room.
Yeah.
Should we check it out?
Yeah, just peek it. Peek it. Also very dark.
Oh.
A little less than the other place.
I can hear running water.
I see the water.
Yeah, I do too, but like it smells really bad.
Yeah, I smell it as soon as I walk in.
But maybe we could just... It's so dark I don't know how far down it goes.
It sucks that their building got ruined by the running water.
Right? Like, you think we can make it to those doors?
No.
Through the water?
What doors?
Up there.
There's a lot of water.
It's not deep.
If you walk to the right and around the puddle, you see all the way to the right. It's kind of gross in here though.
It definitely smells gross, but... What is that running water coming from? A busted up sewage pipe? Do you know what this place reminds me of?
What?
Zombie horror film action.
I mean, it's cool to throw them.
Like, just zombies come from all angles here. What's that one zombie horror film with like Will Smith?
I Am Legend.
Yeah, dude, that's what that reminded me of. That was some...
Scary movie. Did you see the one that they made the video game off of? Resident Evil.
Oh, yeah.
I watched like the first one. This door looks closed, even though the windows.
Well, don't step in that hole.
I won't.
Just go straight down.
You have to hop in. Whoa, look at that. Oh, yeah, of course he's super fast. Alright, you wanna hop? You're not.
You're not getting in unless you hop it? I'll go.
Pretty much.
Are you gonna stay or are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna be left sitting outside.